Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines and comics. And today we're looking at this one, which is issue number 23 of the ImagineFX magazine, and I've got a feeling this one might become the new favourite cover for this year. So little Felipe the Fox is with us, and he's going to get us into this one. Here, look at his nose, look. Is his nose going to plop out, look? Go on, Felipe, yay! Let's get into this one. Boing. So far we've looked at these ones. We're getting near to the end now of the 2007 ImagineFX magazines. We've only got 3 left. But so far we've looked at this one, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22, which was last week's. They've all been really good covers, but the highlight is still this one, issue number 15. So the main, I want to see, I think I remember this one. And I got a feeling it's like a fairy. If it's the one I think it is, it could be the best one. It's not actually. That's quite funny. It's not the cover I thought it was. So this is still my favourite one. But this one's beautiful. I like these little fairy, it's like you got a big fairy and a little fairy. 3 little fairies. Look, it's different size. You can see the size there. Look how much they chopped off. They chopped off quite a lot, really. Plop. Yeah, I do like that one, but I thought it was another cover, and I remembered now. Oh, look at! I like the way that's look, her wings. I like the way they've wrapped that cover around. But the cover I thought it was actually one of the covers from, I think it might have been 2006 or something. There's this beautiful cover with a fairy. And I thought, look, there's a little border going around here as well. I like that. I like the little border, look, little fancy. Can you see it or not? I hope so. Look, see it? Like a little fancy border. So that's still my favourite. Nothing's going to beat that one, I don't think. But this one's full of fairies. So Felipe's letting us in. That is very beautiful. Melanie Delon. It's a very beautiful one, that is. I especially like the colours. Like the nature colours. Here's Rob with a little fairy, look. So yeah, in here, look, oh cool. Cris De Lara. I love Cris De Lara. This is going to be interesting because this is a very early issue. So it'll be interesting to see how Cris De Lara has evolved. And we've got Froud as well. So there's 2 artists in here I recognise. That's a nice one. All the little butterflies. These lions, look. Yeah, fear is, even though it's scary, it is quite exciting. Fear. I could totally imagine sort of missing being scared when you've died. If you go into a realm where there's nothing to be scared of, I feel like you would actually miss it. And I could totally imagine someone coming back to Earth just to feel fear again. Love that one. I love that one. That would make a nice cover art as well, look. Cartoony. Sort of like a cell shaded. Nice, nice, look at the, I love that shape of her lips. That's quite impactful. Little grumpy guts, look. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. Look. There's a monster in her bed, look. See, that's what could be happening when you're dreaming, isn't it? It's like it's sucking her energy out of her while she's asleep. You never know what might be happening while she's asleep. I like this little guy as well. Quite cool. Our con's a con. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Robin Hood. It's on the cards, RPG cards. Letters? Look, they actually made the letters 2 pages. They don't do that anymore. Oh, I like that. I like that bat. Oh, it's a shame it's wrapped around like that. Raised by bats. That bat actually looks quite cool that way. Oh, look at him. He's cool, he is, that little bat. Artist Q&A. Look at that bike, look at that bike. What a cool design that is. Nice eyes. Get him, look. Monkey. Some sort of monkey bear thing. It's quite strange. Character design tip. I'd love to get that DVD. Ryan Froud. I love Ryan. These little goblins and things. There's something like creepy, but somehow I don't know. It's creepy, but also it's not creepy. It's Simon's sketchbook section. Actually, I don't think there was any sketchbook sections in the last one, was there? I don't remember seeing a sketchbook section. It's a bit strange. I thought they always had sketchbook sections. That's a bit like the bloke off of Stranger Things. And this came out in 2007. Oh, I love sketches. Seen them before. Yeah, classic image. I've seen that somewhere else before. Artist portfolio. Yeah, I like these lines. The 3 lines. 3 lines on a painting. FXPosé Pro. Strange little creatures, look. Interesting. Get the impression they're like sisters, warrior sisters or something. This is the next one. This will be next week's. And look, we've got like a princess on the back cover. I like the feeling of that one. Into the workshops. That's all. Look how different her face looks there, look. Painting a fairy scene. Now the funny thing is, fairies, they're not all sort of delicate little creatures. Some of them are quite vicious, nasty. So, like for me, I always thought fairies were these lovely little creatures, like butterfly things, but some of them are sort of like quite evil, almost like little demons or something. This one looks like a nice workshop. Find your style. What's this one here called? Symmetrical designing. Symmetrical designing. Prototype of spacecraft. I'm not really into spaceships. I like some characters. Here's the DVD is in there, isn't it? No, it's not. There's no DVD in this one. Look at that, look, somebody's really attacked the way they've got that out, look. I do like that one. I think that would have been a nice cover. Wicked texture effects. This is Cris De Lara, one of my favourite artists. She's very cool at creating like pin-up characters. Oh, that was a bit weird. There was only one thingy. Workshops that Art Rage. He's cool. Fantastic Four. I got that DVD. Why is this? Paprika, one of my favouriteest ever animes. Absolutely brilliant. Dreams become nightmares in this extraordinary animation. That's to do with like lucid dreaming, that is. I watched that years ago. And I still remember the little guy. Was he called Miyu or something? Like a little pink sort of funny creature. He was like a little teddy bear thing. Here we go, look, Heavenly Sword. I love that game. Johnny Duddles. Johnny Duddles inspirations. Oh, that's nice. Look, Johnny Duddles talking about his inspirations. They really should have done more with that character. Such a cool character, and they never really did anything with her. Boing! Well, I enjoyed that issue. I don't think anything really stood out as being like amazing. There was, yeah, the sketchbook was nice. All the monsters and things. But that was cool though. I really do like the colours of that cover. It makes me feel quite pleasing. I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 23 of the ImagineFX magazine. And next week we'll be looking at this one, issue number 24. So I hope you come back for that. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And I shall see you later for another one. Dahlig.